it's very hot right here.
Yes, but it's not as hot as right here.
Maybe we need a piece of bread.
What piece of bread?
Like this part of the bread so we can up a stick.
Mm-hmm. Like this?
Hold it two ties together.
Santa Claus coming to Santa Claus coming to Santa Claus is coming to town.
Lean.
That was not good. Hey, I wanted to do that. Bruh.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hey folks, welcome to the vlog. It's the weekend. It's been a rough week. But we're going to just go ahead. And my family's on the call and they're not sounding too happy, so me mute them. Yeah, so two things. One is I gotta show y'all this. Da-da. I got me a Christmas cake from Auntie Maggie's, which is a Jamaican place where I always buy Jamaican food from. So we've got Christmas cake, and I can't find the fresh sorrel, so I'm gonna try this. I've heard that it is, I guess, good. It feels very, very foreign to me, but I'm gonna try to draw some, and if it works good and I like it, I might buy some more. But yeah, so that is how we're starting off this weekend. Don't have any big plans. We're just gonna hang out. The menu is ready, and we're gonna chill this weekend. Low-key weekend, inside weekend. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. while we go a little Christmas shopping. Okay, friends, that's it for this week, and I think that's it for this year. Today is Sunday, Christmas is Wednesday, and I vlog less during this time. Like last year I did do some clips, they never materialized, and I think that happened the year before as well. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take this time to just spend it with my loved ones. If I do take any clips, I will try to compile those and bring them to you in January. That said, I hope that you have a blessed holiday season and a blessed end towards the end of your year, and that your new year starts with the promise of all the possibilities and all the things that you can achieve in 2025. I'll be back to give you my message then, so I won't make this too long. But thank you for all of those of you who have come over to our family in 2024. I look forward to seeing more of you and your friends in 2025. That's us for this year. Over and out. Team Reed.